my name is Steffi, and in this video I will show you the numbers in Spanish. I will show you the numbers from 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 100. So let's start. So let's start with the numbers between 1 to 10. Así que empecemos con los números del 1 al 10. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, 10. And now I am going to teach you the numbers from 10 to 20. We have the regular numbers from 11 to 15, and these are 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, and 15, 15, 16, 10 y 6, 17, 10 y 7, 18, 10 y 8, and 19, 10 y 9. And finally, 20, 20. And finally, the numbers from 20 to 100. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100, 100. Now you know the numbers from 1 to 100. So, see you later.